Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can write into sine 3x plus 1 multiplied by sine 3x plus 1 square. Next, we have the formula in here. That's about this one. Plus cosine 3x plus 1 square equals to number 1 because we have this formula. So capital A represent about 3x plus 1 because we have sine 3x plus 1 square in here. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one to change by this one. Now, I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 3x. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equals to negative number 3 sine 3x plus 1 dx. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. So we have about sine 3x plus 1 dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. Sine 3x plus 1 dx we change by du over negative number 3. So we have u to the power of 5 multiplied by number 1 and u square. This one is du. So we will have about u to the power of 5 minus u to the power of 7. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 5, we have u to the power of 6 over 6. The next one, that should be about u to the power of 8 over 8. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.